Yo, how is everyone? So another episode. We are hottest day of the year so far. We're supposed to be doing a roof, but we're not. We ain't doing that. Sod that. So we changed it for a garage conversion. Not much better, but definitely better than being on a roof, isn't it? Let's be honest. So we have just smashed 10k for subscribers. Thank you very much, every single person who has subscribed. Thank you very, very much. Really, we do appreciate it. It took a little while getting there, but we're there. Happy days. So today, I'm going to explain what we're up to, what we're doing, a bit of sparking, and hopefully not going to be here too long. So, garage conversion. This is it. So we're actually creating almost a house within the house. So said big house, said mini house. So the idea is that we are going to be having in here. So in here is going to be like the bedroom area, where Kian is now. That's actually going to be a kitchen. So behind where Sean is, that's actually going to be the bathroom area, and this is leading onto the living room. We are adopting the birthday suit approach today. So for the younger members, so for the old boy members, we are going full apparel. Nobody needs to see this. So, although we have got pretty cool t-shirt tans, so let's just
Mark is definitely not a young member.
check that. I'm not young anymore. I'm old.
You're not 40, are you?
Not 40, you're right. I'm not 40. I'm not 40.
I'm not 40 either.
You're past that. 95. Right, let's check your t-shirt tan out, Sean. Strong, strong.
We'll see better on that.
Not quite up to mine, I don't think. Blue. Oh, mine's awesome.
Oh yeah,
So,
just posing in a little
strong. Yeah, check the guns out, Lou. T-shirt tan, not bad. Kian, t-shirt tan. Oh, he's been on holiday. Look, he's make you sick. Make you sick. Don't even talk. Don't even look at me. So the idea is, so what we've got here is basically, so like the lounge. This is the front of the house. This is going to be bricked up. So you've got bedroom, kitchen, which is what we're standing in, and the downstairs like bathroom area. We're actually going to have to create a boiler cupboard, which is what, if you can see, it's a bit dark, but so we're going to stud this section off and make that like obviously like just another room as such for that. Although it's going to be a little bit tricky because they've got to be able to get in there to maintain it, so it's going to come out quite a way. Saying that, so the other thing is, this is the clients have just bought this house, and the house is already running pretty much at maximum capacity. So they've got a hot tub, they've got there's loads going on here, and it's had a certificate put on it, but I don't know how you got the results, because when we stripped this out, I found a joint which is actually up there now, which I've sorted. So I found that joint up there, but it was more of that standard, and the CPC was not joined anyway, so I don't know how he got his results, so we're going to take those with a pinch of salt. The other thing is, because of in here they wanted 2 electric showers in the house, that's not really going to work, because again we're running way up there, because they're going to have an induction hob and all the rest of it. So we've done the calculations, it's not going to work, so the hot tub's going. We're not having another electric shower, that's not going to happen. We're going to put another DB in this room. We're going to get the mains upgraded to 100 amps, and I think it's going to be right up there. Don't get me wrong, it's going to be right up there by the time I've done my calculations. So yeah, but doable, as long as we take away these other areas, and the shower's going to be a pumped one now. So right, better get on. I've got a few little bits to cut off still, so we're going to get rid of these. So the lads are going to be upset because we're going to have no power in here, and then yeah, get on with some first picks.
You bloody sparkies. No power again.
What are you going to do?
Will they have power in there?
They will have power in there.
Alright, so it's alright for customers.
Customers are alright. We've got no fan anyway, so right. Just got a better deal with him mouthing off at the sparkies. Today's video is sponsored by Tradify. If you don't know what Tradify is, it is a job management software. So we use that for all of our company invoices, estimating, job management, so you can obviously know exactly where you track where your jobs need to be for that day. So if you're doing reactive work and you're doing servicing, for example, or loads of EICRs, you can track exactly and plan your routes properly. So if you want to give that a try, exactly how we did it is if you use the promo code GHAWK50, you'll get 50% off for the first 3 months. And then, like I say, links in the description below. Like I say, give it a try. You genuinely will not regret it. It is really, really good bit of kit. Like I say, go and check them out. Okay, so we are a little bit further on, and we're just going to go through the sort of kitchen layout now. Sean is naked now.
Let me breathe in.
Suck it in, Sean. Good boy. Good boy. So what we're going to have in this room, we've got the 2 centre lights which we've got up here. So there's one here, one there. This bit's actually going to be sort of open plan into the kitchen. So we're now trying to sort out the layout and stuff for the kitchen and stuff, because in the kitchen we've got to get a lot nightmare. We've got to get the oh my god, taking the mic. So nearly a beep going on there. So we've got to get a single oven in, a hob, extractor, sink, cuddly toy, canoe, jet ski, have all got to go in this area. So there's quite a lot going on. What's your plan, Steve? What is the idea? What's going to work?
500, 600, 1,000 corner, 600.
Sweet, where's my sink? Going on this end?
Yeah.
So oven there, hob, extractor fan, sink. So, oh, we've cornered him into a dark room with no clothes on.
Oh no.
What is he doing? So in here, so Steve's got some timbers down on the floor, because that's going to be like the services area as such, because that's not going to be screeded, so all this is going to be screeded in there. And then this is going to be a shower. What is it, 1,200 to 1,100 shower? 1,100 by 9, 8, something like that. Shower that's going to go in there. Obviously we're going to leave the sockets in there, because, you know, it'd be handy.
Just in case you want to plug in
hairdryer while you're showering. Hairdryer while showering would be cool. We're also going to be leaving the alarm in, because you can never be too safe in a shower. So we want to make sure that stays. And also this socket in here is going to stay in for the shower, because you might want the radio on while you're in it. Is that right, Neil? That is correct. So yeah, so that's what we're doing. More nudity, I apologise. So this is literally should be Greenhawk after hours, I feel. It's changed. So that's just got 2 courses on the internal here for now, ready for the screed tomorrow, and then that's going to be bricked up roughly around 1,100, something like that, and then windows in. So bedroom is literally centre light and a few sockets and stuff in there. So just speaking to the customer, because we were going on about earlier on about inquiring about more phases and things like that. So we're inquiring about more phases of whether we put 3-phase here, and I said I think that's going to be between 5 and 10 grand, I reckon. And let's come out of there. And he's done a quote, and it comes in to be about 8.5 grand. So we're going to look. So they're coming out to assess whether they can put a 100 amp main fuse in, and if at that time they've said that they'll look to see whether they can get that down from 8.5 grand, because it's like a 50 odd metre dig or something, until where they can tap in to make it 3-phase. So also Sean has got a new toy. Hold on. So Sean, explain your new toy. Oh, he's got some clothes on now. It's good of you for a bit of decency.
According to this, you can actually drink this water when it comes out through the filter.
Right, okay. So explain how it works. You're going sales now. Your sales. Sell this.
I don't sell anything. It's literally just a tub with a filter in. What you do is you pour your muck in, or you slurry out your mixer and stuff, and then eventually it filters through, comes out as drinking water. Apparently, don't drink it though. Apparently you can drink it.
Sean said you can drink it. Full disclaimer from Green Hawk, don't try that at home.
Don't drink it.
Because I think that'll be pretty
And then
minging.
when this gets filled up with all the slurry and stuff, you just pick it up, wrap it up, throw it in the skip.
Still a lot of water in you then.
Give it a chance.
So,
No.
slurry tub, new. We've actually paid for that, but send us some more
Yeah, why not?
for free. I don't want to be paying for it, and this is an advert, okay? So, there you go, that's a free, we've paid for that, and we got that at Building Careers Live, and Sean saw it, it was shiny. It's usually me buying stuff. I mean, Sean buying stuff all the time. It's never really me, so look at him. Slurry tub, happy days.
Excited, didn't you?
You saw it, it was orange and shiny, and that was it, that was the end of him. Oh, now he's ruined it.
It's alright, mate. Please, yeah.
Okay, so we are, well, I've been kicked out. Been kicked out, not allowed to do any more Sparky stuff. So the boys are prepping all the floor now, and they don't, for some reason, they don't want loads of wood shavings and things like that on it.
You don't want me here, mate.
Did you hear that? Don't want me here. Truth hurts, you know, Steve. Truth hurts. So we've had to have a bit of a change of plan as well for board location. So it's going to now have to go into this bit here, if you can see. So like where the boiler housing is. So we're going to have to mount it on this stud wall that's going to go up here. Because the sink is going to be basically here where Steve's standing. The original idea was to have that up there, but we didn't know the sink location's actually going to only place it can really work. So we've moved it in there, but it means that I'm going to have to change the route for the supply for it. So the lads are getting on with getting all this bit sorted. So I'm going to see if I can go and show you the run for where it is. So 2 seconds. No, it's okay. Right, so the main board's up here, which has already been changed, and that's a meter for the solar, that is. So the idea is, if you can see that, so we're going to go up into the loft, which I'm not really looking forward to at the minute. So we're going to come out the back there, up into the loft, and then that's going to run all the way down to that end, and then drop down into that area. So like I say, the hot tub is got to go. Basically it's got to go. So that is in that room there, so that's all got to go. So a lot going on, but that's pretty much it. I'll go and show you out here. So my meters and stuff are all on this side as well. So yeah, so lads have all wrapped up now, got all that sorted. I've got a lot of nudity going on. So got all the sheeting and stuff down. So yeah, so hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and if you have and you haven't subscribed already, links are in the corner. Leave your comments below, and yeah, have a good one. Take care.